Today our topic is newly launched filter function by the Microsoft in their Excel application, which is filter. Previously, to perform the jobs of filter function, we need to concatenate different functions, but this function has make our work easy as compared to past. So come to the topic. This is the syntax of filter function, which include three arguments. Filter array include if empty. Array is the data set which we select to filter the values. Include, it is basically condition based, in which we specify the condition which will be returned true or false, and after that data will be filtered from the array, and formula will result the final results. Similarly, if it can't find any values or our condition doesn't met, then it will return if empty. If we want to deploy any message like your value hasn't been found, it will prompt that in our Excel cell. So now come to the tasks. This is our dummy data, which is subjects, marks, grade, result. Math, physics and chemistry has been injected with marks, grade and result. So in task 1 we will show that how filter function will work and what it will produce. So let's come to the point. It's by default I am first deleting it. You have seen that filter just delete the first cell values, whole data has been deleted, is equal to filter first argument array. We need to specify the array and make sure that you don't add headers in while selecting a array. This is our array data. It has been marked. Now what I want, that I want to get the chemistry subjects marks, grades and pass here. So after that I will select the subject, and at this we are placing our condition, which is chemistry colon bracket close and press enter. Now check that all the results has been mentioned. And one more thing that you are noticing, there are blue lines. This is automatically specify that all the filter results has been in this area, and it is actually enclosing the values in that table. So it's a basically simple task which has been performed by that filter function. Now come to the second task. In this task we will definitely want to add different multiply criteria and use logical functions like multiple criteria and logical functions like and or. So in this first let me delete it. I want to know that I want to filter out that in specific subject, let's suppose it's math, it will prompt out the result that in math who will get the fail result, and it will, after following these two conditions, our formula will return the values. Start equal to filter, first argument remain the same, we are selecting the array colon after 1 table 1 subject is equal to math bracket close, here I am adding two brackets, and we'll use direct function sign for AND function. Again, bracket start, table 1, it will be result column is equal to fail, bracket close, again close. Sorry, yes, we are missed these signs. No, sorry, again here table 1. Here all the columns has been highlighted, as you see. Press enter. Yes, have you seen that in math we got only one F, so we are getting this. Now I will try physics, which have 2F. Filter, all data has been selected. Now table 1, subject is equal to physics, bracket close, use multiplication sign for AND function, bracket start, and now we are specifying second condition. Table 1, result is equal to fail, bracket close, double quote. Wait, we got an error. Okay, filter, subject is okay. Okay, fine. Actually that was overlapping the next condition, that's why it has been showing result. Now we are using OR conditions. Filter, selecting our array, is equal to double bracket start, table 1. I want that it will show the results of math and grade. Subject is equal to math or for or logical operator we use plus, and table 1 grade is equal to A. Now what it will do, it will show up the result all the math subjects and other subjects which have got the A grade. Bracket close. Yes, have you seen that it has shown all the math subjects, math grades 6, and let me check the second condition why it has not been recalled. Okay, wait, I think it is using the merge cells, that's why we are getting error. table 1 and subject math and plus sign for or function. Table 1 use grade is equal to, we call it F, bracket close. Now have you checked that we have got all the results of math and secondly in grade of physics chemistry, which have give F. Actually our initial data set was overlapping the cells, that's why we are getting an error. To show something very special, we are using filter function. Our array is table 1, per condition we are putting it, table 1 subject is equal to computer and subject detail not available. Close it. We are get only in subject column subject detail. Now what we want to do now, that we want to fill all remaining columns. For that, in the third argument we will use curly brackets. It will store the values in a form of array. At static marks we will want to show NA. At grade again NA means not applicable, not available as well, and result we want to show no result, curly brackets. And now have you check that all the columns has been filled. For today's video we are going to end here, and we have apply 3 conditions, 3 tasks for Excel filter function. If you have any comment and queries, kindly comment and like the video and the channel as well, which is imabbas. In the next video we will concatenate the Excel filter function as well with the other functions. Hopefully you will like it. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.